Hey, what's up, Tron holder? So what's going on? Today video is going very special for Tron holder. So in this video, I tell you about the production of TRX also technically this is technical analysis, and also we talk about the target of Tron. Do they hit it or not? Absolutely, and also share my opinion in this video. To this is selling time, holding time, or buying time exactly. So gonna very important video. So don't skip. This time, if you can see here, my friend, first of all, I want to show you the crypto market result. Very badly falls down, my friend, and I lost 7 days exactly. They very badly falls down. But you can see here this time the Dogecoin is also one of them. They also falls down minus 10%. So exactly very badly fall, my friend. Let's come out to we talk about the Tron to why Tron is very badly falls down. You can see here this time the Tron as 0.124454 US dollar as the latest price, and they falls down minus 7.49%. Very badly falls down, my friend. Let's get started the production. I request you, my brother, if you are new on our channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates. I hope, my brother, you subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks a lot for subscription, my brother. My brother, first of all, I do a prediction, my friend. This is the last one, 7 days chart, my friend. If you can see here, remember what I talk you in this video. Very important, my friend. So if you can see here, my friend, this time I draw a chart. I draw a two line, my friend. And if you can see here, after a fails, they take a jump, and after a jump, they fails down. This is the circulation continuously, my friend. Sometimes they touch the first line, and sometimes they come out down again, my friend. If you can see here, if this circulation continuously go on, then exactly after this fails, they take a jump, but very small jump, my friend. I think not a big jump. If you can see here, they the first line has gone very badly falls down, my friend. It's absolutely they falls down, my friend. You can see here minus 12.53% they falls down. So my friend, if you can see here, these points as hour by hour, day by day falls down. So why they falls down? If you can see here this time the falls down completely very badly. Why they falls down? The reason is that to all people are starting selling exactly, and those days everyone to profit. So this is the mid of month, so therefore everyone can sell it. But at the end of month, I hope they give you very good profit. So the good death is coming soon now, my friend. Please wait for a good time. I hope they make you millionaire. They give you very good profit. So thanks for watching, my friend. Let's check out first of all the last 1 hour, and then also I gonna show you to the latest chart. Yes, I tell you, my friend, this is the proof today moving up in upcoming days. I tell you, and the 7 days chart today moving up. This absolutely they're starting moving up, and this time you can see here plus 0.58% they jump again, and the price is also 0.12582 US dollar. So I hope in upcoming days they're moving up like a rocket. So good time is coming soon now. Please like this video, subscribe this channel for more this type informative video. Please subscribe, keep touch with us. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.